Hi everyone, and thank you for staying here in the chat rooms for a long time. And this will be the last demonstration for today, and I hope you're gonna like this one. Now, what you're looking at is the, well, of course, famous DX5 driver, okay? And this item is the used one, and we've been keeping it for a long time pretty much, because we kind of, hesitated to sell because it was the, actually malfunction. Okay, the driver was not working, and somewhat, not good conditions. So I've been, wondering how if we can fix it somehow. I mean, there's no sound, and then one of the light was missing, and that was not perfect condition. So I, fixed it. Okay, so let's take a look. And first of all, let me just make sure that everyone understands this is it's a very used one. Okay. So when we got this box, it was like this, okay? Unfortunately, all right? And here damage over here on the box, and since it's been a long time, so I hope that you understand. But what it matters is inside. Okay, here's the box inside, and then. Well, it's a good thing is that it comes with the instructions. There you go. So it comes with that. And let's take a look at here. Now, actually, I already made this video showing off the other day, and actually a couple months ago, I think. But at the time, we did not fix it, but we fixed it. And so you see this the basement, the backhoe parts, it's have some, it's been worn out on the edges. You can see that, and well, of course, this item is being used. And also, unfortunately, the belt, we have the belt, but it's actually, just detached, okay, broken. All right, it's been, almost 5 years or something more. And so it's not very the perfect conditions, but what I see is that if you can just replace these screws and change the belts to something, and actually you can still use it. And both belt part actually here, you see that the other side is doesn't have any holes here, and the notch is gone, so there's no way you can just attach the other side. Okay. So this comes with this, like this, but what I recommend is that again, just screw off these screws, and then replace it to the another something that you have the belts or something, Velcro or whatever you like it. Okay. And let's take a look at inside. We have those what do you call it, holster or holder. It's a little worn out because as you see it. Okay, but it can be used. And here's another one. Okay, it's a little worn out also. And we have the belt stopper. Okay, that's good to have the belt stopper, but I noticed that this item has cracked. Okay, sad, I know, but well, it's better than nothing. Okay. So we still have one, but we are missing one more piece over here. So it came as it is, so well, too bad. But what I was interested in, showing off today is this. Okay. So let me just move that everything. All right. So this is the one that I fixed it, the DX5's driver, okay? And well, before we activate all the sound and lights, and so let us check that, all the conditions. Okay, as you see, it's been used, all right? And actually, I used the two different 5's drivers. and make it at the perfect. I took that of all the parts, the one that I can use, and the one that are more cleaner, nice parts to make it as one. All right. So, but still, you can see that some worn out part, on the edges like this. On the other side too. Let me take out the chip. Chip looks good. Okay. And here you can see the little worn out over here and on the edge. Okay. And this part is very important actually, and this part is easy to come off, but we still have that. Okay. Let me replace that other one. And on the side of you, activation button, power switch, this way, how about this way? So this is the joints part. So you can see it's been worn and it's been used a lot. All the silver paint is worn off. And battery case. Actually, it doesn't have the battery inside. Let me just replace it. The inside. No battery leak or anything. It's very clean terminals we have. Battery loaded, and you see that battery case on the edge worn out. Okay, let me open this. Okay, I combined all the two different DX5 driver and made it into the one 5 form. So I choose that the better parts to make one. So I think this is the farthest I can get. Nice clean windows. Okay. Now it's time to activate it, and then let's get ready for the sound. And the speaker is over here. Okay, so let me just attach that of my little humble speaker. The microphones over here. Okay, just pull on quick. There we go. And let's activate that sound, and I hope you can hear this. There we go. Oh, that was loud. Sorry about that. Okay. Now it's on. And let me do it again to see that the lights, it has the 4 lights, 4 LEDs inside, okay, as you see that, The X5 driver doesn't make the sound for that, the battery checking, but you see, every like a 5-10 seconds or something, it has the LED lights. Here comes. Did you see that? So it does have the LED, all 4 of them are working fine. You will see that more. Let's work on the activations, okay? So let's say the 5's transformation, okay? There we go.
Standing by. Complete.
That was loud. Okay. All right. So it does work with that in a completion. Okay. The henshin. And next one. And let's try that shooting sound, okay? 103 is the code.
Single mode.
So, turn into the gun now. Okay, so I will shoot. Alright, and I want you to take a look at that LED on the top, I mean here. You see that blue lights there? It has the blue LED, okay? And on the side, has the two lights over here. It has the light LED. In the gun mode, you don't see any lights here. See this? Only the top. Now it's empty. Now I need to roll that again, and to roll that 279.
Charge.
So you can shoot again. All right, and let's try that in another burst mode. 103. 1. No, sorry, 106. Okay, actually.
Error.
Oh, that was error. I'm sorry. 106.
Burst mode.
Burst mode. There we go. You see that on the top lights and also bottom light in this case. There we go. One more time. It's empty. So you can re-roll it with a 279.
Charge.
So you can shoot it again. All right. And other sound, the coding sound like starting like a 0.
Error.
All right. So 1.
Error.
Okay. So that's all the sound that I can get. Okay.
Error.
All right. So let's do the henshin one more time before I close this video.
Standing by. Complete.
All right. So that's it. So I'm very proud that I could fix this one and I made it one complete. You know, even though it's a used one, it's a very good items. Okay, let me take off this sticker. Microphones. There we go. Okay, so we are going to sell these items in these upcoming activations, okay? And so I hope you can get that, all right? So for more details, please check out our website. We are working on the website, getting ready for the activations. So let us have a little time. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll be ready for this. And make sure to check out our new activation time. We have 2 activation time now. Now one, tomorrow is a Sunday, October 23rd. And we're going to activate at our store with the new items and the stock items at 8 p.m. evening time of Japan Standard Time, okay? And this is the time suitable for the European countries. And the next activation will be, the second activation will be the upcoming Monday 10 a.m. Monday 10 a.m., which will be the October 24th, Monday 10 a.m. Japan Standard Time. And those are the time for the suitable for the North America and South America country. So hope you can find out your items there with the right time. Okay. So that's the 2 announcement. The 2 activation times. So make sure to check the time with the local time. Okay. Thank you very much, Clockwork. Okay. Really? Zingetcho? Hey, good to see you again, Zingetcho. Thank you. Mr. S, are you going to sell it for the $300 like that? No, I don't think so. The $300 is too much. Okay, this is the used one. Even though I fixed it, I'm looking at the price between, something, not the 300, okay? But we need to charge that, a little bit, but we're looking at something, okay? We will work on it, all right? So please wait for that announcement. All right, so that's it, and thank you very much. And I think it's a time to close our show today, and I hope you enjoyed it. So just before I go, and I just want to say thank you very much for everyone here. I can see 7 people still, and Bogart and Clockwork, Sari and Kojak 86. Oh, sorry, 86, that's right. Skumaras, thank you very much for coming. And then also Tokunato and Zingecho. And we have the guest of 11 people. Thank you for joining for today, all right? So, looks like we have the quality control issues and many items, okay? 2 activation times. Lots of things going on, but I hope you can, we can stay focused on and what we can do our best for our customers international. All right, so thank you very much, everyone. So I will see you soon again, and then let's wait for the your activation time. Okay, so take care and then have a great weekend. See ya. Yep.